So in this video, we are going to write the code for the environment class, and environment class is the even more upper hierarchy than the agent, and it should have the instance of the agent and the scoreboard, and it should also establish the connection between the agent, or more specifically the monitor which is present inside the agent, because the monitor has as you can see that the monitor has the analysis port, so it should maintain the connection between the analysis port present in the monitor which is present in the agent, between that and to that of the UVM analysis import which is present in the scoreboard and which is separate from agent. So let's begin. So I will begin with the naming. I will begin with the name of our class, and I will name it env, which stands for environment, and it should extend UVM environment. And just remember, it is UVM env, the abbreviated form of environment. It is not environment, so it is just UVM env. So that will be the name of our class. And after that, the very first thing I will do is to do the factory registration. Now I will begin with the constructor of the class. Now inside the constructor, I will just call the constructor of the parent. Now, just like the class of the agent, we will just write two phases. The first phase will be the build phase, and in build phase, we will we will create the object for the agent and scoreboard. And before that, I would write a handle for both of the classes. And now in the build phase, first I will call the constructor of the parent, or it should be build phase. And then I will create the object of both the agent class and the scoreboard using the create method. Now for the scoreboard. Now we are done with the build phase. Now we will move on to the connection phase, in which we will establish the connection between the monitor, between the analysis port of the monitor, which is present inside the agent, to that of the analysis import of the scoreboard. Now I will do the very same thing which I did in the agent class. I will just establish the connection using the connect method. So first I will refer to the analysis port of the monitor. So the handle name of the agent is A, and inside the agent, what was the handle name of the monitor? It was M, which you can see it right here. So you have to refer to that. And inside monitor, we had a port, which is the UVM analysis port. And then you have to use the connect method with the scoreboard, and the handle name of the scoreboard is S, and the name of the analysis import inside the scoreboard. Oh wait, yeah, here it was AI port. So this concludes our environment class. Inside this environment class, you just have to write the instantiation of the agent and scoreboard. And then inside the build phase of that, you have to create the object for the same. And after that, you have to establish the connection between the analysis port of the monitor, which is present inside the agent, to that of the analysis import of the scoreboard. So this will ensure that the transaction copy, which collects the response from the duty, is being transferred uh, to the right method of the scoreboards of the scoreboard. And inside that, we just wrote the checker. So that's all for the environment class. In the next video, I'm going to write the code for the test class, which is even more top in the hierarchy. So stay tuned for more. Thank you.